immediately through the vacant gully area. Gully fourth slip.
You see where that carried to? Yeah. That carried well past the 30-metre circle. Threw that 40 metres off it.
Oh, he goes the cross-batted shot, exactly what Adam was talking about. McDermott underneath it. Pakistan have lost a third wicket in the power play, and Abbott is in the wickets.
Yeah, it's been a long while, 5 years, and look at the appreciation from the teammates back. National colours, and he's had an immediate impact.
Smart bowling as well, smart bowling. Villa won the ball before, just dragging his left back, sensing Imam ul Haq, wanting to be aggressive. Pakistan find themselves 3 for 22 in the power play. Imam ul Haq goes for 40.
Iftikhar beats the field. A rare foray of the ball into the outfield this afternoon for Pakistan. They're 4-4, they're 3 for 26.
He's pounced on that. Nothing short. It's full. He says, you've just stepped into my area that I love to operate from, Iftikhar. So he picks up where he left off down in Canberra. If they bowl long half volleys, cash in on it. Twice in the over. Stark will be disappointed. Closes out the power play.
Just in front, falls just in front of Kane Richardson. Effort to get there. It was always going to be a tough one.
They got a Harris who advances, takes on the man on the rope, doesn't get enough. Richardson takes the catch. Pakistan lose their fourth. Harris is done.
Got it into the pitch. Didn't overdo it with any flight. With a false stroke.
Yes, Hale knew as soon as he made contact with that ball that he hadn't hit it well enough. Great bowling from Ashton-Agar. I think you're right, he might have just seen
It's fall around him. Thickish edge, boundary, much needed. Top edge from Iftikhar, it'll land safely, all the way in fact. T-Mud. Again splices it, again has he got the gap? No! Brilliant effort. Wonderful catch by Ashton-Agar. Covered 35 metres, if not more.
what, 30 or 40 metres to get to that ball. Wasn't hit well at all by Ahmad. Agar making great ground. Now these are a difficult catch because your eyes are bouncing around as you're coming in. He's held on to an absolute ripper there.
Iftikhar heaves it away, backward of square. Another catch, Mitchell Stark, take a bow. He's got wickets, he's taken catches, and the danger man goes.
See, low hands coming up high. He's trying to hit that out of the park. Couldn't get the timing. He was high on the bat. And Stark, he had the rope to contend with, but kept his cool and took a nice catch in the deep.
Again, not time. Again, the wicket falls just. Finch has a couple of goes at it. Bit of a shock there for A. Finch.
I just wonder if it maybe got stuck in the lights just on top of the stand. It's like a ring of fire like we see in Dubai. And yeah, no timing in the shot from Shadab, and he didn't seem to judge it too well either, Aaron Finch. I just wonder if it just got stuck in the lights a little bit, and whoa, he's done well to hang on in the end.
Oh, he's done okay there. Stepped to leg, crunched it through the offside. No problems.
Just ruined a perfectly good over from Kane Richardson. He was on a double wicket made in the 4 at the end of the over, 8 for 96.
Thick edge. Over the rope. First 6 of the night.
The short stuff comes out from Stark, and that man just now moving a little bit finer as a result.
Final ball of the innings. It's another swing, it's another miss. And Pakistan struggle their way to 8 for 106. Abbott on return to the national side, 4 overs, 16 dots, 2 for 14 was fantastic. Yes, he was brilliant in Canberra, was Steve Smith. Finch and Warner have dominated at the top of the order. A rare miss. Going to shake away from Warner. Throws the hands at it. Over the man. Hasnain, you'd expect him to be on the road.
He charged in, didn't he? Inexperienced, but as soon as he saw this ball leave the bat, he just started charging in. In the end, he needs to be backtracking. If he's right on the rope, he probably takes that about chest high.
Finch finds the gap. He's been so strong through the offside throughout the start of the international summer. He brings up the first boundary.
Lovely balance at the crease for Aaron Finch, just slightly over pitches there.
That'll be 4 more from Finch. Rocks back, punches it through point. 8 from the over. Australia none for 14. Wants power from Warner. Now we do, and Finch takes it and sends it for 6.
Sure, he's hit that out of the part of the bat he was hoping to, Aaron Finch. He's got the maximum for it.
Right to try.
Yeah.
Got the pace to back him up, 143 kilometres an hour, but Aaron Finch was equal to it.
Just beats a diving point. Another boundary for Finch. Oh, that is power from Finch. That's the shot of the night. Over square for 6.
Foxy Rover was out there, was in real danger. He's broken his bat. In the meantime, right out of the screws. It's over 80 metres out there. What a punch.
They've been able to pounce on, and David Warner finds the gap again.
That's long from David Warner. Stand and deliver stuff. Nice work by that gentleman touring the crowd. High fives all round.
That is catch of the day. Might be catch of the year. Crunch by Warner. Stripey. Oh, that's... Well, they play a lot of AFL here. Look at the phone.
That is big from Finch. He's done it once tonight. He's done it again.
It's perfect for Aaron Finch. He sets up for a short ball. He hangs back on the crease, waits for anything short, then uses enormous power. It's a pretty impressive shot that from David Warner.
India always strong. West Indies power packed. Another 100 partnership between Finch and Warner. Finch down the ground, clears the field. That's 4.